All right. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, all across the globe, welcome to another edition of the Power Connections Business Showcase. Man, I am so excited about having Trey and Lisa here today. Trey and Lisa, how you guys doing, man?
We're doing phenomenal, sir. How are you?
Oh, man, I'm fired up
today. Thank you for having us.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much for your time today. So excited about you guys being here with us. How's the family? How's everything going today? How's your week going thus far?
Everything's going wonderful. Trey had to step out because the business is going phenomenal. Yes, exactly. And it's going great. We've been meeting with a lot of business and professionals and customers this week.
Absolutely, Lisa. That's the whole purpose of this, is to get you more business, more customers, and guess what? More exposure. That's the key to everything.
Yes,
right?
Sir. Absolutely.
Amen. But with your tent, guy, you don't need a lot of exposure with the tent, though. I love it. That's wonderful. So thank you so much, Lisa. Hey, guys, real quickly, we're not going to be with them long because they all have an active business going on. But yes, guys, there's the website up here. There's the website right there, guys. UNeedTint2.com. Yes. You go to that right now. And everybody that's listening to this, you need to bring your car over there and get that appointment set up, okay, as well. And we're going to be talking about this wonderful re-grand opening coming up soon. But let me read you a little bit about them, guys. Hey, this is the Power Connections Business Showcase with Brother Trey and Sister Lisa Patton here with us today. Hey, U Need Tint 2 is a minority-owned and family-operated business setting a new standard on window tinting. I love it, man, with a commitment to high-quality tints and customer satisfaction. Matter of fact, I read on their website, guys, they know all the regulations too for the state of Georgia. Yes, they know that. That's the first thing you got to know for sure. With a commitment to high quality tints and customer satisfaction, we offer shading solutions to protect you from harmful UV rays. Amen. Our services extend beyond automotive window tinting to include residential and commercial options. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, yes. Residential and commercial. Good deal. The team provides a range of window tint options to enhance visibility, reduce glare, and offer stylish solutions tailored to your needs and circumstances, guys. Why DIY kits are an option. Professional technicians save you time, money, and ensure effective window films. I love it. Hey, once again, guys, welcome Trey and Lisa Patton to our wonderful, wonderful business showcase. That's great.
Thank you for having us.
Amen. Thank you again. Well, Lisa and Trey, if you don't mind, tell us a little bit about how you got started, man, on this wonderful tinting business and more.
Oh, absolutely. U Need Tint 2 has been like a brainchild of mine.
Yeah.
For about 12 years now. So
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, like it hasn't been in business for 12 years. Like I said, it's been taking that long to get that name out there. Definitely just married my wife, my beautiful wife here.
Yeah, you did a good job there, buddy.
Definitely. And I was talking to her one day about starting up a business, and she said, you know what, babe, let's go for it.
Yeah.
And so that's basically what we did. We just kind of took advantage of the pandemic, and I just quit my job and I decided to step out on faith, and pretty much here we are.
Yes.
Oh man, that's powerful, Trey and Lisa. That's it right there. And Trey, as you know, man, when you got your wife saying, "Oh, let's do it," game over.
Game over.
Game over, man. We can go to the moon without no oxygen. When she said,
absolutely.
That is powerful. So I'm so proud and excited for you guys. Hey guys, want you guys to definitely check them out here. UNeedTint2.com. And guess what, Lisa and Trey? We want everybody who has a podcast. You guys got television, radio, all the above, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter feeds, whatever you guys are doing out there. I don't care if it's also TikTok. Put them on TikTok too as well.
Yes.
All you young people that got car, I know you all want some tents for sure. You know they want some tents for sure. But seriously, guys, I want you guys to definitely go to their website. But I want you guys who are all entrepreneurs and business owners to share this out as well. Okay, on the network, they have a beautiful, beautiful website. Matter of fact, let me just real quickly, let me go out of here for a second, just to show them this website in case y'all want to take a picture. So y'all want to take a picture of this, okay? I'm gonna go out of the scene for a second. So y'all get ready to take a picture if you need. I'm gonna give you about 5 seconds, okay? Get ready, get ready, get ready. All right, there you go, guys. There you go. Take a picture of that beautiful website. Isn't that beautiful? Yes. Y'all did a good job on that website, boy.
Thank you. Thank you. My cousin actually did it for us.
Yeah, tell them they did a great job on that.
Yes.
Powerful. So guys, I want you guys to do that. And their website, of course, is uneedtint2.com. Check it out, but their website is so beautiful. I'm going to pop out back in here using this technology. Bang, there we go. I love it. I love it. I love it. We work this stuff, Trey and Lisa, working. We work it. I love it. Well, that's wonderful. Well, tell you what, let's talk about this wonderful grand opening coming up. Tell us about that coming up on May the 20th. We want everybody to get ready to put that on their calendar today and be at that event. Tell us about that, Trey and Lisa, please.
Well, on May 20th at 3 p.m., we're having our re-grand opening, our 1-year anniversary, and our customer, family, and friends appreciation day. So that's going to be free food, lots of promotional gifts, guys, t-shirts, pins, keychains, coffee mugs, and us, of course, we're going to have live music, and we're going to be playing games and different things of that nature. So bring a family, bring the family members, bring your business partners, and anyone in the Georgia region, not just in Covington, Georgia, but we're going to be out here all day and night having a good time and just saying thank you and giving our appreciation to the community.
Yes, that's what it's all about right there, guys. Hey, guys, you heard that Saturday, May 20th. That's why we're here today, to promote the grand opening and their beautiful business today as well. But you guys need to be out there. But guys, that's a Saturday. So guess what? Everybody, all the family members can bring their cars, man, and stuff. I hope y'all got enough room for all them cars are going to show up.
Yes.
Yeah,
we'll be scheduling appointments as well, Mr. Vaughn.
Yeah, we'll be scheduling that day.
I
don't think we'll probably be working that day, but we will be scheduling.
Right, exactly.
And the quick correction, it won't be live music, but we will have a DJ.
Oh, exactly. That's
wonderful.
Got to have a little music, even if it's just a radio play, you know. Yeah, that's wonderful. So Trey and Lisa, so I take it you guys do trucks and vans and RVs and all that stuff, right?
Planes, trains, automobiles, we tint glass. Spaceships, helicopters, whatever you can get out here in front of me.
Wow, that's powerful, man. Hey, tell us about the home and the commercial side, because that's powerful, man, because people need to conserve that energy, man, in the household. So tell me about the residential and commercial side. How do you do that, man? Wow.
Definitely. If you're interested in doing something like that, we just come out and we take measurements and everything, and then we just basically consult with you and show you how tint can actually save you money. It's a little bit on the pricey side, but anytime you make any type of home investment, that's what it is, it's going to be on the pricey side, but you will get that back over the course of years. Your energy bill going down.
Absolutely.
So definitely, window film is the way to go if you own a home.
Oh, no doubt about it. Plus that adds value, guys. I know that adds value to your house when you sell it. If you don't want it, whatever, when you sell it, the value to your house, no doubt about it. So guess what? All my realtors out there, y'all heard it. Y'all realtors out there that know commercial realtors and regular realtors, guys, you can contact Lisa and Trey at uneedtint2.com for clients that may want their home a little more secure in some areas, especially in the back area. It's nice to have that, but sometimes you want a little security.
Absolutely.
Yeah, for sure, especially for those who live alone.
Yes.
So today, unfortunately, I hate to even say that, but that's for those who are single, need that little security in your home. That's important to have as well. So I love it. That's powerful, powerful. Hey guys, this is our business showcase with Trey and Lisa Patton. They are the owners and the brainchild of uneedtint2.com. uneedtint.com, uneedtint2.com. They jump into the website right there, so I don't mess it up. There's a website right there, guys. I love it. Absolutely. That's wonderful. Well, great. Well, Trey and Lisa, anything you'd like to tell our wonderful audience out there and how they need to come and see you guys as soon as possible? Anything you want to say to our audience out there right now? Sure,
definitely. Just follow us on all things social media, uneedtint2.com. Feel free to definitely call, come by, stop by. The address is 3118B Emory Street, Covington, Georgia. We serve in this community and surrounding areas, and can't wait for you guys to pull up on us.
Yes,
love it.
Our slogan is we run a shady business, and we want y'all to get here to get that sweat off your neck.
Oh, I love it. That's wonderful. I love it. I'm sure there's a t-shirt coming for that one.
Yes. We got one for you.
Yeah, exactly. Thank you so much. Hey, Lisa and Trey, I was thinking about the Covington, Georgia. That's how far are you from the square? That's a beautiful square you guys got out there.
We're actually less than about 3 miles from the square.
Wonderful, man.
We can pretty much walk to it.
Yeah, fantastic. Yeah, I go to church in Conyers, so we went out there for lunch. And Conyers, Covington, excuse me, went from Conyers to Covington for lunch, and it's beautiful out there. I haven't been out there in a long time. I said, wow, this is beautiful out here, man.
Yes.
Yeah, really nice. So glad you guys are out there. That's right off, not too far from 20, I guess. You right off of the highway there, I take it.
Yeah, right off of 20. We were right off of 278.
Yeah.
Headed towards the square.
Fantastic.
Right here in beautiful Covington, man.
Yeah.
Fastest growing county in the state.
Yeah.
And we're just trying to, make our imprint on the future of window tinting here in the city.
Absolutely, man. Hey, that exit, if you don't mind, what's that exit off of 20 for those who know that area a little bit?
That's exit 90. Yes, sir. Exit 90 right off of 20.
We're right next door to City Hall.
Yep.
Oh, okay. Wonderful, man. What a great place to be.
Yes.
That's great. That is so wonderful. Hey, guys, we are here with Trey and Lisa, Pat and Lady Joan, talking about uneedtint2.com, You Need Tint. I'm just excited about this.
Thank you.
And y'all can read it up there. Y'all can read it right there as well. I love it. Hey, they got a grand reopening coming up, guys. I get excited about our people doing great things in this area of business. But Saturday, guys, we're promoting the Saturday, May 20th, 2023 coming up, guys, at 3 p.m.
Yes.
Out there in Covington, and you guys will be seeing more about that. And if you don't mind, Trey and Lisa, give that social media, because everybody's on social media today. What social media pages are you guys on?
We're on all things social, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok.
Oh, I love it.
We're on Indeed. We're out there.
Yeah, good. That's exactly right. Got to have the exposure, guys. That's what's all about. That's why we're here today. So guys, hey, anybody who has a podcast, you guys got podcasts, radio, television, TV, whatever you guys, cable, even cable today, guys, if you got that, you guys need to invite Trey and Lisa to come on and talk about uneedtint2.com. uneedtint.com, no doubt about it, because they will bless your soul and bless your car by keeping you cool as possible as you ride across. And I love it. That's powerful. Thank you so much. Well, wonderful, wonderful. Well, guys, we're excited about Trey and Lisa's grand opening coming up. You guys support that. Trey and Lisa, you guys are always welcome back to give us updates. You got any sales going on? You guys can come on for 2 seconds, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, whatever it takes to get it out there. So feel free to always dial in and say, hey, Kev, we got some updates. We got some grand opening. We got some specials going on. Let us know about that. We'll be glad to share that with our wonderful network as well. So appreciate you so much. Hey, Trey and Lisa, any final thoughts? Any final words you got for us?
Like I said, we're just excited to be going ahead into our second year.
Yeah.
And just looking forward to serving the community and, and potentially giving back as soon as we're able to. Definitely. We want to get involved with the community and surrounding areas of not only just supporting ourselves, but giving support back to the community in different ways when we were able to.
And we appreciate your platform for having us.
And thank you so much.
Oh, absolutely. My pleasure. We thank Dr. Ellison for the connection there too as well. Give him a shout out. So we thank you so much. And guess what? We are Trey, we're really proud in you of Lisa taking on the entrepreneurial. As you know, it's a hard road sometimes.
Yes.
But it's necessary.
Absolutely.
And I'm not sure if you have family, but it's necessary for our children to know and see that we're doing things like this. Necessary for our nieces and nephews and grandchildren and so forth and so forth. Or just like you said, the community too. He's a senior business, guys. So guys, you guys can start business, but you need to catch up with Trey and Lisa and find out how they're doing it, guys, and support them as well as we move forward. Well, Trey and Lisa, thank you so much for being on the Power Connections with Kevin Vaughan. This is what we call our business showcase, where we showcase major businesses like Lisa and Trey's uneedtint2.com, uneedtint2.com, uneedtint2.com. You're going to be unexcited about this one, man. This is really cool. I love it. Plus the colors. Look at all these beautiful colors you guys picked too. That's beautiful.
Thank you.
Really nice. I love it. Well, good deal. Well, guys, we'll see you next time. Y'all keep in touch with Lisa and Trey out there in Covington, Georgia. And again, we thank you so much, guys, for your time.
Thank you.
Thanks for having us.
Amen. God bless.
Have a good day.
All right. Hey, guys, appreciate you. Hey, we thank you guys for listening to this as well. Those listening live right now, I want you to push this out on your networks, guys. At least 50 to 60 people on your networks. Push it out on your Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. All that's going to go out today from my side. But when you see this, guys, push it out on your networks too, so we can support Trey and Lisa on this wonderful uneedtint2.com business. I love it. Thank you so much. All right, we're out of here. All right, you guys have an awesome day, Trey and Lisa.
You too.
All right, appreciate it. See you real soon.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye, everybody.